Once again, hello. Thank you for joining today's session about Jira Service Management. Get started. So, introduction. It's 1 hour to start with creating the first service desk project. So, I will start sharing my screen. Okay, I hope that you see my presentation. So let's start with some short info that this meeting is being recorded and I will publish it on my YouTube channel after this session, I think that tomorrow. So on the chat you can find the link to my YouTube channel. Also, this information will be added to email which you receive after this session. After this training will be time for short Q&A session. You can put your questions into the dedicated Q&A section. Also, you can put it on the chat, but in the Q&A section, it will be easier for me to find all questions. If I don't have time to answer a question or the question will be about more advanced things which are not in the scope of this training, I will record edited answer on my YouTube channel. Also, I put answer in the email after this session. I show all configuration and features using standard plan on cloud. It means that if you are a little bit familiar with Atlassian ecosystem, Atlassian products, you know that Atlassian has got 3 standard premium and enterprise plans, and very often some features are different between plans. In case of Jira Service Management, a huge difference is that in case of standard, we don't have features which are available in premium and enterprise, like assets. I think that this is the biggest differentiation. But today, this is the basic training, so we won't talk about this area. Also, I don't have any apps installed on my training instance. This is the native solution without any additional extensions. It's worth to say that in case of Atlassian ecosystem, we have got an Atlassian marketplace, which you can find a lot of apps which can extend features available for Jira, Jira Service Management, Jira software. In my training instance, I don't have any apps, so everything is a pure native Jira. Okay, a few words about me. So my name is Kate. I am a Chief Product Officer and co-founder at Appsvio. Appsvio is a marketplace partner, Atlassian marketplace partner. You can find our solutions on the mentioned Atlassian marketplace. We have got solutions mainly for ITSM area, so Jira Service Management, when you can find the biggest feature, the biggest app feature bundle, but we also have some solutions for productive, for team management areas like issue templates agent or issue merger. So this is all these things are available on the Atlassian marketplace. Also, I am specialized in this ITSM area, so this is why I lead this course, and I hope that you find it useful for your work, for your company, for your team. Okay, let's start with a short introduction about Atlassian products, because I don't know what is the level of your familiarity with Atlassian products, Atlassian ecosystem. 3 main products which are known and used by teams are Jira Work Management, Jira Software, and Jira Service Management. They have got some differences. I don't want to talk about these differences today, but I would like to highlight the most important things. So first product is Jira Work Management, and projects which are created with this product are called business projects. This Projects are available to all licensed users and includes templates for HR, legal, and other business teams. Another product is Jira software, and it includes projects called software projects. We have got integration with development tools like Bitbucket, another Atlassian product. We have got some Agile or Kanban boards, and we have got also dedicated release hub for software versions. And the last product from this big three Atlassian products, we have got Jira Service Management, which is the topic for today. Projects in Jira Service Management are called service projects. And here we have got some features connected with service level agreements. We have got some views which are very unique for this project, and you will see them today. And what is very important to say that we have got a customizable web portal for customers, and we have got some permission schemes allowing customer access. So in this case, we don't have only internal teams like in Jira Software and Jira Work Management, but we have got also another side, customers. And let's see how it looks like in Jira Service Management and Jira software projects, because very often we collaborate. People who have got access to Jira Service Management, very often who are agents, and they are responsible for customer tickets. They collaborate with people who are working every day, especially for Jira software projects, so developers. So first of all, we have got people who use the Jira software. They need license to this product, and we called these people collaborators. So they work with agents in Jira Service Management to provide more issue context. So for example, they have got in Jira software some bugs, and they have got some linked customer tickets to check more information about the problem, which they have to fix. Another group of people are people who are engaged in Jira Service Management products. They have got a license, and we have got two roles: project administrator, who set up the service projects and users, and we have got agent. Agent works on customer requests and adds customer to the service project, and this is the point and this single point of contact for your customer. And also in this situation, you need a license for these users, so you have to pay for every user who is an agent, and or project administrator, of course. And the last part is customer. Customer is a very specific role which is available only in Jira Service Management. So you don't find this role in Jira Software or Jira Work Management. In this case, you don't pay for people who are customers, so they have got access to this dedicated customer portal, and this type of people can send requests to your service project through different channels, and you will see these channels today. And you can have a lot of customers. There is no limitations, and you don't pay for these people. Of course, if you have internal customers, for example, employee in your company, and they have got access to your internal projects like Jira Software, like Jira Work Management, you have to pay for them. But in case of pure customer who has got access only to your customer portal to create requests, you don't have to pay for this person. And also we have got a specific role called request participant. Request participant is a customer which can interact with other customers and agents in the portal. And when your customer create a request, by default, only this customer has got access to this request. So only for him, this request is visible on the customer portal. But this person can share the ticket with other customers, with colleagues, with people who are engaged in some problem or question, and this person is called request participant. Okay, so let's go to our Jira, and we will start from creating the project. One more thing before I start. As I said, what is a big difference between Jira Service Management and other products, that we have got here two sides. One side for agents, administrators, so Jira view, and another side for customers, and it's a customer portal help center. So this is why I will work on two windows. So this window, blue window, is for user. When I log in as an administrator, and I have also an agent license, so I can help customers to solve tickets. And in green window, I am logged as a customer. So I don't have access to Jira, I have access only to this area. So it will help us to see what are differences between the agent side and customer side. Okay, so let's start with creating a new project. So we will go through creating project, explore what is available, and also what is available for your customers. So new project you can create clicking by projects, and here we have got create project. Here you can see that we have got a lot of project templates which are predefined by Atlassian, and it's very helpful if you start and if you want to explore features. We have got a lot of different templates. We can also see that we have got some templates based on our products. So in this instance, I have Jira Software, Jira Service Management, Jira Work Management, Jira Product Discovery, another Atlassian product, but today we are focusing on Jira Service Management, and I would like to use this template, IT Service Management. Okay. Here we have got some basic information about this template. Also, when I go to Jira Service Management, you can see that we have got option to create blank projects for IT teams or for business teams. Also, we have got another templates like HR service management or marketing service management. So as you can see, we have got a lot of things here, and it's very useful to start. Okay, so I am select this IT service management essentials. I'm clicking use template, and the first thing is that we have to name our project. So I will name it as training March. Also, here we have got a key, project key, and this project key, as you can see on this screen, it will be used as an issue key. This is the indicator for your issues, for your requests, and it's always this project key with number. Here we can select what is the team type, and in this case, customer service. And here we can configure channel access. By default, it's open, so anyone can submit a request to this project, but you can change it as a restricted, so only people directly invited to this project can submit requests. For this training, I select this default option, so open. Also under show more, you can see some additional information. So project type. In case of Atlassian products, if you are not familiar with it, we have got two different project types: team managed and company managed. And as the name suggests, the difference is that one type, team managed, is dedicated, is not dedicated, is managed by the team. So you have got one project. In this project, you have got configuration, you have got some roles, you have got configuration for your workflows, for your forms, and everything is available in this project. When you create another project, you have to configure everything from scratch. In case of company managed, you have got a global administrator who is responsible to create some schemes for workflows, for issue types, for forms which are filled by users. And thanks to this, when you create a new project, you can use the schemes, and it helps you to make some standardization in your company. It also makes creating new projects faster. So in our case, we use team managed projects, which are a little bit simpler, and it's very useful when you start from with Jira. Okay, so I'm clicking create project, and now we have to wait few seconds to start to create our first service project. Okay, so one more seconds. I hope that it will be created shortly. Okay, so this is it. We have it. So here we have a name of our project. It's a training march. Here we have got different options which we will explore. And here we have got information that you are in a team managed project. If I use a different template with a company managed project, I will have here information that I am in company managed project. Okay, so let's start with explore what options do we have. So here we have got queues. This is the base for your agents, that here you will see all requests which are created by your customers. These queues are configurable, and you can create as many queues as you need. And as you can see, we have got some predefined queues, like all open or assigned to me. And this configuration for every queue is available under three dots. And here we have got edit queue, and we can check what is here. So here we have got the name of this queue. We have also select to add this queue to team priority. So this is the dedicated section here. Also here we can filter what requests we would like to see in this queue. So in this case, we have got requests which are in status category to do or in progress. Also, it's worth to say that queues are limited to the current project. So you will see not only requests which are in status category to do or in progress, but also which are created in this project. Also here we have option to define that this request will be ordered by time to done. Time to done is one of the SLA metrics, which I will show you later. Here we have got on configuration to define what columns I would like to see here, and of course I can modify it. Here we have got also option to switch to JQL. JQL is a Jira query language which allows you to create more advanced syntax to search issues. So when I'm clicking on the switch to JQL, you can see that this syntax is visible here. I can modify it, but let's go to the basic. So here we have got a simple selects to check what options I need. In case of status category, it's important that in Jira we have got three status category always, and it's not configurable. So we have got to do, in progress, and done. And you can define when you create new status in Jira if this status is from category to do, from category in progress, or from category done. Okay, so this is what we have here. Also, when you are on the queue and you click star, this queue is is moving to this section, start section. Also, here we have got option manage queue, and you can using drag and drop and change the position. And you can see that here I have got a third section called other, and you can create as many queues as you need for your agents. Also, another view, which is rather new and it has been released a few weeks ago, is a view called board. Also, very useful for agents with some predefined columns. And in here, you can see also issues, but in a little bit different form. I will create some issue on the portal, so you will see how it looks like. Also, another important areas here, knowledge base. So in case of creating articles for your customers, it's very useful to help them in self-service, because very often you have got the same questions from your customers. So you can create a FAQ, you can create some articles with information how to solve the most common problems, and you can build such knowledge base. As you can see, you have to link this knowledge base with Confluence, another Atlassian products, and you can create as many articles as you need, and these articles are available for your customers. And the last area here, reports, very important, especially for team leaders. And in this area, um, you can select reports, you can analyze requests, analyze performance of your agents, and you can see that by default we have got four reports. We have got also some predefined custom reports, but we have got option to create new report, so you can extend options which are available here. The most popular reports are workload, and it's very simple because you have got a list of people who has got access to this project, and you can see how many issues are in progress. Also, we have got a satisfaction rate. So when your agent resolve the ticket, customer receive some simple survey to rate the agent, rate the support, and here you will have this rating with some comments. Also, one more report, which I think that it's important to present, that we have got, for example, service requests. And here we can analyze how many issues are created dependent on the request type. And what is the request type? So when your customer creates the request on the customer portal, this is like a category. So you can select that I need get IT, I would like to get IT help. Also, I would like to request a new feature. I would like to raise a bug. So we have got different things, different services which the customer needs, and every this request type has got a dedicated form, and I will show you how it looks like. Also, to finish exploring this navigation, we have got channels, and here we have got some options because your customer can create a request using different things. So the first thing is that your customer can send email, and when you create new service project, by default, a new email is created using project key, and using this part is from the name of your instance. And your customer can send the email on this to this email address, and the new ticket will be created in this project. And the whole communication, of course, can be through the customer portal or through email. So your customer can reply on this email, and it will be a comment on the request. Of course, you can change this email address in configuration. Another option how to create requests is customer portal, and we will explore it this area now. So let's go to this window. So here, as I said, I am a customer, and here this is the first view, which is called Help Center. And in Help Center, you can select all customer portals to which your customer has got access. Also, here you can see some additional information in announcement. Here we have got a separate section called topics, and I will show you how to configure it. Also, we have got a area for featured portals. And here, when I click Show More Portals, you see all portals which I have access to as a customer. Also, here we have got recently used request forms. Here we have got the name called Training Center, but you can modify it, and I will show you later how to modify this view. Okay, so let's go to our training March. So this is our customer portal. And in case of customer portal, here we have got list of different request types. So we have got get IT help, request change, report incident, and etc. When I click on a request type, I can see request form. So we have got list of fields which have to be filled by the customer. And when you see some red indicator, asterisk, it means that this field is required. So we have got some very basic configuration with three fields: summary, description, and attachment. Of course, you can configure this form and you can change it as a project administrator, and I will show you how to do it. So let's move to our Jira, and we will go to project settings, and here we have got request types. As you can see here, as a customer, I have get IT help, and also I would like to explore this configuration for this request type. So we have got here get IT help. Here we have got description for this request type, so you can add some additional information. What really does it mean? And we have got also portal instructions. And here we have got customer request form, and you can see that we have got these three fields which are also on this request form. So summary, description, and attachment. You can expand this area, and you can define a different display name and display description, because by default your customer will see the name of your fields which are available in Jira, but you can change it and display it in a more friendly way. For example, you can put here some questions. So what would you with which you want to help with, or something like this. And you can see that this field is required. This is very specific field. It's summary, and in Jira, this field is summary is required always. But in case of description, we don't have this label, but I can check this, and this field can be also required. And the last field is attachment. So here is the same situation. I can change display name and display description. Also, in the right area, I can select fields which are added to this instance, or I can create new fields. You can see that we have got different types, and using drag and drop, I can simply add this to the form. So I will click Save Changes, and after refreshing, you will see that I have a new field. This is due date. Of course, using drag and drop, I can change the position. Also, we have got a description fields, which will be not available for your customers, but they will be available on the issue view. And the same story, drag and drop, and you can build it form here. And the last thing, context fields. Context fields are not available for your customers, and these fields are available on the issue view in Jira. So I will create the ticket, and you will see how it looks like in case of issue view, and you will see these fields which are available here. Okay, so I save changes. And last thing to check, we have got here option edit workflow, and uh, you can see what is the workflow for this request type. As you can see, we have got here a lot of transitions, a lot of different statuses, and the color indicate what is the status category. So gray is for to-do status, blue for in progress, and green for done status. So here we have got a lot of things, a lot of transitions available between statuses, but it's not for today, so we use this default configuration. Okay, so let's move to our request form. So I create, so for example, I need help with my laptop. My laptop is broken, please help. Okay, as you can see, here we have got rich text editor, so your customer can use also some options to format the text. I can put some attachment if I have, and I can also put some due date. Okay, I'm clicking send as a customer, and now we have got our first request created by the customer. Also, when I go to Jira, to agent view, you can see that in my queue, all open, I have my first issue. So I have got this reporter, summary, key, and also request type. And I can assign myself to this ticket. So I will be responsible to resolve this ticket. Okay, so let's compare these two views, because we have got view which is available for agent, so this is issue view, and we have got a view available for customer, so this is a request view. And you can see that we have got two different words, request and issue. Request is for something what your customer sees, and issue is something what your agents or in general users in Jira see. Okay, so here we have got these two views, and let's compare these two views. So the first thing that we have got breadcrumbs here. And here we have got the name of our help center. So it's a training center and it's configurable. You can change it as the administrator. We have got a name of our customer portal. By default is the name of your service project, but you can change it in the configuration. And we have got issue key. So this indicator which helps you to find your request, your issue. And the same situation we have got here, that we have got this information about issue key. Here is summary. I need help with my laptop, And as a customer, I have something what I filled on the previous site, so description and due date. And as you can see, your agent also see this information and see that this request has been created via customer portal and can also click view request in the portal. But this is what we have in case of customer. So only this 1, 2, 3 field. In case of agent, we have got a right area, and in this area we have got more option and more fields which I can fill. And this is what you saw in this second part of configuration in the request type. So here we have got information about assignee, about request participants, some organizations, because what is also very unique for Jira Service Management, that you can create organizations. So for example, you can create, in our case, as we are a marketplace partner, we have got a lot of different customers and we have got separate organizations for different company. And from this company, we have got a lot of customers, a lot of people who raise requests to our customer portal. And thanks to using these organizations, we can easily share the requests with a lot of people who are also customers in this organization. Here we have got another fields like priority, which is also very unique, specific field in Jira because always has got value. And some additional fields, and if you want, you can change in configuration and add more fields or remove some fields. Also, in case of agent view, we have got the area called SLAs, so service level agreement. You see some clocks that time to first response within 4 hours, and here is the time. So I have to respond to this customer by this time, and also time to done. These two metrics, of course, are configurable, and you can create your metrics according to your needs, according to your company policy. And in project settings, we have got dedicated area to do it. So SLAs, and here you can see that by default, when I create this ticket, this project, I have 3 SLAs: time to done, time to first response, time to triage normal change. And here I have detailed configuration for every SLA, but of course you can change it. You can create different SLAs based on your company rules. And this SLAs is not visible to the customer. Okay. So this is it what we have here. Also, we have got information about status, waiting for support, and this information is also available for your customer. Okay, so I will answer to the customer, and as you can see, we have got 2 modes, comment modes: add internal note and reply to customer. Add internal note is very useful if you need to leave some information for yourself, your colleagues from support team, or your colleagues from developers teams. Let's see that this is test comment. I click save, and as you can see here, I have got information that this is internal node, and we have got yellow background. Also, developers who has got access to this project, but they are not agents, they can also leave internal comments, and thanks to this, it can improve your communication because you don't have to use any Slack or any external products, because you can make this communication in this ticket. And another option is reply to customer, which is very important for your agents and is available only for people who has got agent license. So I'm clicking reply to customer, and I can leave the comment. So we are working on it. Of course, we have got here some options to format it. I'm clicking save. And you can see that in this in case of this comment, I don't have this yellow background. So this is external comment visible to your customer. And I am refreshing this site, and you can see that here I have got this comment, only this one comment, so that we are working on it. Your customer can also reply on this comment. So here we have got area to leave the comment. Also, you can add some additional files. So this is the only option to modify your ticket as a customer, because as you can see, we don't have any edit option on this request. So your customer can't modify the ticket, only can add some information in the comment or add some additional attachments. Okay, and as you can see, as an agent, I see that my customer replied to me, and I have this comment immediately. So I clicked send, and you see that I have this comment here. Okay. So this is it, what we have here. I said that we have got many options to create tickets. So we had email, we had customer portal, we have got also option to enable widget. Widget is available, for example, on our listing on marketplace. I will show you how it looks like. Okay, here we have got contact us. And when I'm clicking on it, you can see that I can provide subject, body, attachment, and I can leave a contact email. And this widget comes from Jira Service Management, comes from our service project. And you can define the same widget in your company. So you have to go to project settings, select channels, and here you can see that we have got widget, and you can define what will be the default request type. You can define some colors, and you can embed this widget on your site. So this is another source of tickets. Also, you can make connection between your Slack or Microsoft Teams, and thanks to this, assist your customers to solve tickets. And also another option is that these tickets can be created by agents. Using this create button, I can select this project, I can select the issue type, so for example, get IT help, and I can create the request. So this is also another option. But to the most common option is customer portal and email. Okay, so also in case of customers, it's worth to say that your customer can easily check all the requests to which he or she has got access by clicking request button. So here I have got created by me AppsBio, because I am added to the organization called AppsBio, and also all. And here we have got a simple table with all tickets which I created or which I am added as a request participant, so I have access to it. And here we have got a list of it. I have got different columns, and these columns are configurable by administrator, but in a very limited way. And now I will open the same view, but as an administrator, and you will see a little bit some different things. So the first thing is that I don't have any request here, but here I have got option to customize this view. And as you can see, we have got a list of fields, unfortunately very limited, and you can define which fields, which columns can appear in your customers' request lists. So this is the first thing which I can customize as an administrator. Also, going to the training center, to the help center, training center is only my name, but it's a help center, I have also option to customize this view. So as you can see, I can add a login message, and it's very simple: message title, message. I can manage announcement, and this is what you can see here. So I can put some message title, message description. Also, I can add some translation, and translations are available in service project. This is the separate area for your administrators. And here we have got language support, and here you can configure some translations. So for example, Polish, I'm clicking add, and unfortunately it's not automatically. You have to provide your translations. Let's see the example. So here we have got what I can translate, and I have to put my translation. Some of them are predefined, but in case of some custom fields or some descriptions, custom descriptions which you provide, you have to do it on your own. Okay. What's more, we have got customized look and feel area. Unfortunately, very limited, very basic. So you can change the center name, help center name. So this is what I have here and what I have in the breadcrumbs. Homepage title. So this is it, what we have here. Here we have got a searcher. This searcher can be used by your customers to find request forms, also to find articles if you have some of them, and you can't hide to this searcher. So the searcher is always available. Also, you can add logo, and this logo will be presented here. You can change the Help Center banner, and you can also change colors for Help Center banner text color and banner background, link, and button color. As you can see, it's not a lot, but enough for a lot of customers. If you need more customization, you have to find some apps on the Atlassian marketplace. And the last thing, edit homepage layout. So this is what I presented at the beginning, that we have got topics and you can create more topics, and topics allows you to aggregate some, for example, request forms, which are very popular, or you can create some topics dedicated for onboarding, dedicated for requesting new access or new hardware or something like this. You can create as many topics as you need, and it's especially useful if you have a huge instance, a lot of service desk, a lot of request types, and it really helps to navigate. Also, you can present here some articles if you have any of them. Also, we have got section featured, and this section featured based on this star icon, and you can define how you would like to sort these customer portals, so by popularity or by name. And of course, this configuration is available only for administrators, not for customers. So as you can see that in green window, I am a customer and I don't have this button customize. And this is it, what we have here. Okay, I see that we have got less than 10 minutes, so I think that I have to finish here. So so how to create ticket, how to reply on the ticket, how to create the project, what options do we have in the project. Also, what is important to explore is automation area, which allows you to save a lot of time, but it's not definitive, not for today. But what is very nice that Atlassian provides some templates, and it really helps to create your first rules to automate some work. What I really recommend you is to go to Atlassian University. If you don't know this page, here you can find a lot of courses, not only about Jira Service Management, but also about other Atlassian products. You have got dedicated learning paths, so it's very helpful, not only in case of Atlassian products, but in general. Some things about management, some fundamentals. So I really recommend you to explore it. A lot of courses are free, what is also very nice. And it's not the last training. We have got in our life learning chapter some more of them in the pipeline. Next week I will be in Amsterdam, and it will be a live on-site event. So if you are there, I would like to invite you for this event. It will be a longer training, split to two parts: agent and customer, and also we will explore Atlassian intelligence. One day later, in San Francisco, my colleague Robert will have this training about Confluence, and also I have another training in April, two trainings, one about customer view, customer experience, and another about agent experience. So it will be extended version of today's session. So I highly recommend you to sign up, because it's totally free, and of course explore other trainings which are available in our chapter. We have got a lot of things in April, and still in March, of course. Okay, so I will stop sharing my screen. I hope that this session was informative to you. Okay. I don't see any questions on the chat. So I think that also I will check Q&A. So we don't have any questions. Okay, so I think that we can finish for today. I hope that you find the session useful. If you will have any questions after the session, you can always send me a direct message on LinkedIn. You can also find me on YouTube channel, so you can leave the comment and I will answer. So there's a lot of option to contact me. And thank you for today, and I hope that you enjoy this time. Have a good day or evening, depends on your time zone, and I hope that we will see in April during another training more advanced. Thank you very much.